Hello, my name is Tina. I'm head of design of Victoria Designs, and we have another crafting kit for you, the Spring Nature Journal Crafting Printables Kit. Christy from the YouTube channel Faithful Designs by Christy used these printables to make a journal, a photofolio and a small notebook, and these three all fit in a matching handmade backpack. In this video, Christy will show you the printables so you can see what they look like and also the finished projects. The tutorial how to make every part yourself will be in a separate video, the link is below. And if you would like some more information on how to get the printables of this Spring Nature Journal kit yourself, there's a link for that below as well. And now I give the word to Christy. Enjoy!
Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to share with you a new project that I made for Victoria Designs. And I used the new collection, a Spring Nature Journal Kit. And this is what I made. I made a backpack using a cereal box, and as you can see right here, this is just for decoration, it's not for using, but it looks very nice if you keep it in your room with all your stuff for journal, right? And look, it has a pocket right here, and inside I made a tiny notebook. Then I made two pockets on the sides, and you can carry some stuff for journaling like scissors, markers, pencils, anything that you want to put in here, maybe some papers for notes or something, and you can carry up here. You have lots of room right here, see? And I decorated my backpack with this flower and lace because it looks so shabby with these colors, and I love shabby chic style. And you can choose any other paper from the collection and make it different with your own style. Then right here I use Velcro for the closure, and this is how it looks inside, see? Then right here I have a journal that I made, see? Also a small photofolio that you can fill with pictures, and I also have my pencil pouch for pens that I can use for my journal, see? So you can carry many things in here, and everything is covered, and I love that you can use just a cereal box, see? So you will learn everything in that tutorial on how to make one of these. I'm going to show you now the journal, and it's this one right here. Look how beautiful papers that this collection has, and I just put right here these embellishments and then this metal embellishment, and I use even the words from the collection. Then right here for this ribbon I just use an applique, then right here some laces, flowers, and it's so gorgeous. I love pink and white, see? And then you open, and right here on this side I created this pocket that it has a small pocket right here for tags. Then right here it has magnets, see? Has magnets. You can put Velcro if you want, and right here you can pull up here and you have three pockets, and you can add mats for pictures. So you can see right here, big mats for pictures or notes or anything that you want to save. And I made right here room for writing what you have in each pocket, see? Then right here, this is the journal. And for the journal, I decorated with embellishments only. I don't like things too bulky, so I just glue the embellishments. And these are the beautiful pages. And I fill with some pink papers for writing. Then, look, it has beautiful pages. So you can see right here. Everything like for spring. Look, I just use the embellishments to put some tags. Then right here more of these papers. You can add many things in these blank pages if you like to glue stuff like doilies, laces, feathers. You can add like dried flowers. So this is ready to add lots of things, see? And I just added 2 signatures, as you can see right here. And the other signature has also lots of pages, beautiful pages from the collection. And look, again, I like to make pockets with the embellishments, see? And then also using the words that comes with the collection. Look how beautiful pocket. See? And you can add all the embellishments here and there, and you don't need anything else. How beautiful. See? Then right here in the back of your journal, I made a small photofolio, and I just put a ribbon to hold the pages. And this is how it's going to look. See? It says Spring Memories right here. And all these are embellishments from the collection. Then you open right here, and what you see is 2 pages that has these mats. And as you can see, it has room for your picture here, like this. And you can put big pictures in here. And you can open this one right here, and you have more mats for pictures. Look, see, your picture can go all the way. And then you are going to open, and you can have right here another mat for pictures. Here is a pocket, and I just put lace, and I put some embellishments like these tags, and then also a mat that I can put more pictures in there. And this is like a card, see? Then right here you open, and you have more room for pictures. So in this photofolio, you can hold a lot of pictures, and it closes like this. Then right here, when you open to the side, and you have 2 mats. As you can see, then you open, you have 2 more mats right here on this side. Look, you have more room for pictures. See? Then if you pull up, you have even more spaces for pictures. It's beautiful, right? So you can make one of these, and then you just tie it up here, and that's your section for photos. And in the back, you just have this applique that holds the ribbon, and then this lace. See? It's a beautiful journal, and it's complete because it has pockets and it has a section for photos. Now I'm going to show you another folio that I made for this collection. And this one is like a small, because it has small spine. It has 1/4 of an inch only, and this is how it looks. See? Right here I hold the ribbon with this embellishment. Then on the front is just embellishments from the collection, and I put a title in here, and I added this flower to match all the items in my collection. And this ribbon is underneath right here, this embellishment. When you open, you will see I'm using the journal pages. Can you see? So you can put right here a small picture. You can just write and save anything that you want, see? And right here I made pockets, and you can have extra pages where you can save some more pictures or writing, and put it up here and save it in the pocket. See? Like this. So you can have lots of room in this folio. Then I also put these pages facing to the center, and you have like more room for pictures. And also remember that you can take these pages to add pictures or writing. And these pages from the journal are so beautiful that you don't need many more embellishments, because it has these gorgeous images, right? So when you close this one, you have the last page, and on the last page I just added one little pocket and a tag right here where I can write anything else, and that's it. And for this one you just use a few pages, and it's only cardstock that is printed. You don't need chip or nothing, see? And that's it. This is how it looks, this small folio. And the last item that I made using this collection is this little notebook that you can have in your pocket right here, and it's just for writing some notes, and it's very easy to make them. See, as you can see, I just decorated with this embellishment from the collection. Then when you open right here, I put a pocket, a corner pocket, and then a tag right here and another tag. See, then right here are the pages, and I just put them together using a thread, this embroidery thread. See, and then you can add or remove any pages, and then right here I put another pocket. See, and that's it. And it's so easy and beautiful. And these are all of my projects. Are you ready to make one? So keep watching the tutorials. These are the embellishments of the collection Spring Nature. And as you can see, it has a lot of cutouts, and they are cutouts of animals and also some pockets, labels, and flowers, and pocket corners, and tags, words, everything that you need to embellish a journal. And I printed all of these pages in cardstock of 110 pounds. You also get tickets, file folders, and beautiful tags. And you get a lot of embellishments that you can use in many projects. And the spring colors are simply beautiful. And these are the journal pages that I printed, and I chose the full size. And I printed them in a regular copy paper and on both sides. So I print them all, and as you can see, these are the designs of the pages. And I'm showing just one side because I printed in the other side the same images. And all of the pages are well decorated with colorful flowers and cute animals. And I also printed some journal pages in cardstock so I can use as embellishments for flaps or for mats, for something that I can use on my project. And I also printed all the full pages, and as you can see, I just did one side only, and I will show you what pages I use for each project. And most of the images are vertical, but some of them you can use it on horizontal or vertical position. And I love that they added pink to this collection. It makes it more soft and shabby. I love the combination of colors that they use for the flowers and all the images on this collection. You can use these full pages for the cover of your journal and also for dividers and mats or maybe flaps or many more things. I'm very excited to work with these papers. So let's start it.